So all of you, please be ready. Ready with your English grammar workbook, page number 22, and also with your rough book. Okay, my dear children. So let's begin. A very good afternoon to all of you, my dear children. In today's session, let us learn about gender. So we have already learned about it. We know that nouns are naming words and is used to name a person, place, animal, or a thing. And all living things are either male or female. Okay. And all male animals and human beings are called as masculine gender. What they are called as? Masculine gender. And all female human beings and female animals and birds are called as feminine gender. Okay, so let's move on to it. Yes, so let me ask you a question. Why there is page number is 22. So all of you please do listen. Yes, page number 22.
Ma'am, you're writing on the workbook?
No, first let us learn 4 more words there. So let us learn those 4 more words, then we'll move on to the workbook. Okay, so we know that Ishan, you're a boy. What gender you are, my dear? Ishan? Ishan, unmute it, Ishan. Come on, tell me. What gender you are? Are you a masculine gender? Yes, masculine gender. Tirtha, come on, tell me what gender you are.
Page.
Page is 22, my dear. Yes, come on, tell me gender. Tirtha, what is your gender? Is it masculine or feminine gender?
Feminine gender.
Feminine gender, very good. Niveda, come on, tell me what gender you are. Is it masculine gender or feminine? Yes, feminine gender, very good. Richard, come on, tell me your brother, what gender you are. What gender it is, brother?
Masculine.
Masculine gender. Aldrin, your father, what gender it is? What gender? He's
Masculine gender.
masculine gender. Okay, Anthony, come on, tell me what is aunt, what gender it is?
Female.
Feminine. Okay, feminine gender. Okay, so that is what I wanted. Arnav, come on, Arnav. Arnav, are you there? Arnav is not there now. Arnav, come on.
Yes, ma'am.
Grandfather, what gender is he? Grandfather.
Masculine.
Masculine gender, very good. Okay, now Badri. Badri, come on, tell me. Sister, what gender?
Son.
Sister, what gender? Yes. Yes. Badri. Sister, what gender? Sister is a? What gender it is? Yes. Okay. So, okay, children.
Grandmother.
Mute it.
Okay, I'm going to mute you all. Okay, then. So, all of you, please do listen. So, we are on the genders. Okay, so let's revise it. Then we will move on to the. Okay, all of you, please have a look at it. Okay. So, all of you, please do take page number 22. So we know that there are 2 genders, masculine gender and feminine gender. Masculine gender is used for men, boys, and male animals. Okay. And the feminine gender is used for women, girls, and female animals. Okay. So just do a revision. All of you, please sit properly. Sit properly, all of you. Let me see you all sitting. So, boy. What is the opposite gender for boy? It is? Come on. I'm going to unmute you all. Okay. All of you mute your audios. Okay, now come on, tell me. Boy, it is girl. Yes. Father, what is the opposite gender for father? What is the feminine gender? Mother. King? Queen. Okay. All of you, look at the picture. Okay, this is boy. And what is the feminine gender for boy? It is? Girl. Can you see the board?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
The
Yes,
board
ma'am.
is not proper now. What happened? Yes, okay.
I'm right.
Yes. Now can you see the picture? What is it? Prince, princess, princess. Okay. Prince, princess. Okay. What is this? Is bull?
Cow.
Yes, bull. It is cow.
Cow. Bull. It is cow. Bull. It is cow.
Bull, cow.
Cow. Cow. Cow. Cow. Cow. Ma'am, it is bull. Cow. Ma'am, it is look like a shape. Ma'am, it is shaking.
Mm.
Good.
Call one ma'am from there, no? One ma'am. Yes, two. Call one ma'am from there.
I cannot hear you. Gander and goose. Page numbers. Gander and goose. Gander and goose. Gander and goose. The page number is 22. Gander and goose. I can't hear you.
Okay, can you see the picture, my dear children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, can you see now? Yes, bull it is. Bull it is cow. Okay. Now what is this picture? It is gander.
Gander and goose.
Yes, gander it is goose.
Gander and goose.
Now all of you see, look at this picture. It is man, woman. What is this is? Yes, masculine gender is man and woman. W-O-M-A-N. I will write it here. W-O-M-A-N. Man, woman. Okay. No. First, let us learn. Revision it is. Brother,
Brother and sister.
okay, brother, sister. Brother, sister. Okay, brother, sister.
Brother, sister.
What is this? A son?
Son and daughter.
Yes, son and daughter. Daughter. Okay. Who are they? Father and father and mother. Grandfather, grandmother. Who are they? What this is? Come on, look at the picture and tell me who are they? Gentle and lady. Okay. Look at the picture. Gentle and lady. Okay. Gentle lady. And lady. Okay. Who are they? Come on, look at the picture. Who are they? Uncle, aunt. Who are they? Come on, tell me. Bridegroom. Okay. Bridegroom. Bridegroom. Bride. And bride. Okay. So it is bridegroom. I'm writing it again for you. Bridegroom. Bridegroom. So bride is a masculine gender and bride is a feminine gender. Okay. Can you see this picture? What is this? Is knees. Please mute your audios. Mute it. Only if it's you unmute it. Yes. Nephew, niece. Come on, say it. Say it again. Nephew, niece. Yes. Nephew, niece. Come on, say it. Yes. Nephew, niece. Who are they? In a film. If there is a film, okay, don't we look for a hero and a heroine? Who's the hero of this film? Yes, hero. And who is she? She's the heroine. Yes, not daughter. It is heroine. It is a film. Okay, it is a film. In the film, hero is Pranav and heroine is Priyadarshini. Okay, so they are heroes. When we go for a film, don't we ask who's the hero of the film? Who's the hero of the film? Don't we ask? So here, hero, heroine. Okay, so we have learned all the words what we have learned. Now we are moving on to the next words. So all of you, please do take your rough books. Yes, yes. Rough book, rough book. Yes, all of you take your rough book. Let me see you all. Take your rough book. And let us learn 4 more words are left. Let us learn those words now. Okay. Lion, lioness. Lion is a masculine gender and lioness is a feminine gender. Okay. Come on, all of you, please do take your workbook. Sorry, take your rough book. And I wanted to see you all writing. Yes. Lion, lioness. L-I-O-N-E-S-S, lioness. If you have finished, just give me a thumbs up. Okay, it's not required to just shout. Others can't listen what is being taught here. Okay, come on, do it. Lion, lioness. We have to write it 2 times. Okay, ma'am has written only once. I'm waiting for everyone to finish it once, then we'll move on to the second time. Lion, lioness. Come on, write. Lion, lioness. Have you all of you finished once? Yes. Let's write it once more. Yes. Yes, yes. Write it once more. Lion, lioness. L-I-O-N-E-S-S, lioness.
Ma'am, Aaron join now.
Write it, write it. Lion, lioness. Hereafter, we are going to learn very easy words, children. Only 4 words. We have already learned 1 word now. Now 3 more words left. Okay.
Good. Ma'am, Aaron join now.
Yes, okay.
I'm completed.
Okay. Have all of you completed? Please do give me a thumbs up, those who have finished. Yes, very good. Yes, yes, yes. I wanted to see your thumbs up so that we can move on to the next word.
Ma'am, next one.
Yes, let's move on to the next word. So the next one is, we have already learned about bull, cow, children, but this word is also there in your workbook. So I thought, let me do that too. Okay. Even for ox, ox is a masculine gender and bull is also a masculine gender. Okay. So cow is a feminine gender for both. So ox, it is cow. Come on, write ox. O-X, ox. Masculine gender, and cow is a feminine gender. Come on, write. Ox, cow. Can you look at the picture? Ox, cow.
Ma'am, cow is a
Feminine gender. Ox is a masculine gender.
right. I'm righted.
Yes, finished. Okay, wrote.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm finished. Ma'am, I'm finished.
Yes, okay.
Finished.
So if you have finished it once, let's do it. Right, let's write it to one more time. Ox, ox, cow. It's quite easy it is. Ox, cow. Ox, cow. Ox, cow.
I'm finished. How many times right?
Only 2 times, my dear. Not more than that. Okay. We have to write it one more time in our workbook so that we may learn it. Okay. Once we are familiar with all these words, we may write it in our workbook too. Okay. So we have finished with ox, cow. Come on, say it. Ox is a masculine gender. And what is the feminine gender for ox? It is? It is? Cow. Okay. Ox, cow. Have all of you finished?
Yes. Yes.
Ox, cow.
Ma'am, the next word.
Ox, cow.
Next word.
Now let's move on to the next word. Have you seen this bird? Peacock. Peacock is a national bird. Okay, peacock is a national bird. Have you seen this bird, children? Yes? It's a peacock. Only peacock has feathers. Have you seen it? And peahen doesn't have feathers. See here? Okay. So peacock. Come on. Peacock is a masculine gender. Come on, write P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Come on, write peacock. Okay. And peahen. P-E-A-H-E-N. Come on, write. All of you, please do write it. Peacock. Can you see the bird? Peacock, peahen.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Peacock, peahen.
P.
Can you see the board, my dear? All of you? Okay.
Word. I'm next word.
Wait. Write it 2 times. You have written only once. Peacock, C-O-C-K, peacock, and peahen, P-E-A-H-E-N, peahen. Come on, write.
Hen. Hen in the
Peacock, peahen. Peacock, peahen. Please do say it and write, children, so that we may learn. Okay, then we have to. Yes. That's okay. That is just we have written there. Okay, you just write peacock is a masculine gender and peahen is a feminine gender. Okay. Finished, all of you? Yes. Yes, all of you, please do mute your audios. Only if it's necessary, you unmute it, my dear. Otherwise, why is that you're keeping your audios unmuted? All of you, please do mute your audios, please.
I'm next one.
Yes, and fine. And write it, all of you. Why is that you're finding it difficult to write these words? The pictures are shown for you. Is it not interesting? Okay, we have seen only peacock. We haven't seen peahen. No, peahen doesn't have feathers. See, the peahen is. Okay, now we have only one more word. It's left. Which is that word, do you know? Yes, do you want to see the bird? Yes. Have you seen this bird anywhere? Have you seen? Yes, what does this bird is? A hen and cock. So similarly, peacock, peahen we have learned. Yes, it is cock and hen. Do you have hens at home?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Cock, yes, cock, hen. Okay, so write it 2 times. So we have learned about peacock, peahen and cock, hen. So that's all. Okay, so we have learned about many words. Nearly about 16 words. Huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Ma'am, finished.
17, 18 to 20 words we have learned. Okay. Peacock, peahen, cock, hen. Come on, write fast. Write fast.
And grammar, please.
Have all of you finished? If you have finished, come on, take your workbook. All of you, please do take your workbook. Take your workbook. Take page number 22. Take page number 22. All of you, please do take your workbook and take page number 22. Yes. So here is a page for you. Okay, I hope all have written it. Now we are going to write what we have learned. Okay. So boy, what is the feminine gender for boy? Come on, tell me the answer. You're going to tell me the answer now.
Girl.
Girl. What's the spelling of girl? G-I-R-L. Now black is very dark here. I will write it in, is it white will do or red do you want? Okay, girl, G-I-R-L, girl. Come on, write. Is it clear, my dear children? Can you see the board?
Yes.
Yes, is it clear? Yes, okay, okay, okay. Yes, okay. So, boy, girl. Come on, write. Others, please to mute your audios. No one should talk in between.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Okay, okay. Adnav, have you finished? Adnav hasn't started? Right. At the end of the session, I wanted to see your book.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Okay. Brother. Come on, write. Brother. Brother. Sister. Yes, come on, all of you, write. Take your pencils. Take your pencils, all of you. S-I-S-T-E-R. Sister. Come on, write. Yes. Sister.
Finish. I'll complete. Ma'am, we want to write 2 times.
Have all of you finished?
Yes.
Everyone?
Yes. Yes.
So we have finished with brother, sister. What is the next word?
Peacock.
Peacock. And what is the feminine gender for peacock?
Peahen.
Peahen. Come on, say P-P-E-A. Peahen. H-E-N. Peahen. Come on, write. Peahen. Darshak, have you finished? Okay. Yes, okay, okay.
Ma'am, finished. I'm finished.
Darshak Unnikrishnan, no? Okay.
I have completed.
Okay. I'm looking at your work. That's all. Dash is absent. Dash Krishna is absent, I think so. Anthony Naidu is absent. Okay, now let's move on to the next word. Husband. Come on, tell me. Wife. What's the spelling of wife? W-I-F-E. Wife. Come on, write. W-I-F-E. Wife.
Ma'am, finished.
Come on, write fast. I wanted you to write it.
Ma'am.
Children, you please do sit on the table and the chair and please do write it neatly in your English grammar workbook. Some of you are sitting somewhere else. Sit on a chair and a table and then you write. Finished, all of you? Now, yes. King. King. What is the feminine gender for king? Queen. Yes. Come on, right. What's the spelling of queen? Q-U-E-E-N. Queen. Come on, right. Queen. Aldrin finished? Adna finished?
Yes. I finished. I have completed.
Okay. Come on, right. King is queen. Okay. Man. What is the feminine gender for man? Oman. Come on, right. W-O-M-A-N. Oman. Man, it is Oman. Henna finished?
I have completed. Now I have
Some of you are brilliantly doing your work. You're looking at the board and without any help, you're doing it. Very good. Some of you are very good. Intelligently, you're doing your work. Yes, very good. Okay.
Mama, it is finished. I have completed.
Okay, very good.
I have completed.
Yes, my dear. You're doing it very well. Okay. Yes. Now let's move on to the next word. Bridegroom. Come on, tell me. Bridegroom. No, I'm sorry. Nephew. No. Nephew. Nephew. What is the feminine? Niece. N-I-E-C-E. Okay, niece it is. N-I-E-C-E. Niece. Okay. Okay. Yes. N-I-E-C-E. Niece.
I have completed. I have completed.
What is the next word is bridegroom. What is the feminine gender for bridegroom? It is bride. Yes. B-R-I-D-E. Bride. Come on, right? All of you. Bride. B-R-I-D-E. We have learned all the words. Okay, with the pictures I've shown you. So by looking at the pictures, when I say bridegroom, bride, you have to think of the pictures which I've shown you. Bridegroom is for the masculine gender and bride is for the feminine gender. Okay. So son was the feminine gender for son. Daughter. What's the spelling of daughter? D-A-U-G-H-T-E-R. Daughter. Come on, write all of you. Daughter. Write neatly, okay?
Ma'am, next one.
Daughter, have all of you finished?
Yes. No.
Come on, write. Come on, write. I'm waiting for you all. I means we are now familiar with all these words. Okay. So you can write it. Uncle. Come on, tell me the answer. Aunt. Yes. What's the spelling of aunt? A-U-N-T. Aunt. A-U-N-T. Aunt. Come on, write. A-U-N-T. Aunt. Okay. A-U-N-T. Aunt.
Ma'am, Anthony. Ma'am, Anthony, press.
Yes, Anthony is present. Yes, okay. Thank you. Dash Krishna is present.
Sebastian present.
Yes. I saw you, my dear children. I saw you all. Only very few. I did not see you. But here today is the absent. The strength is also very less today. What has happened?
Completed.
Okay, cock. What's the opposite gender for cock? It is? Cock it is? Hen. Cock it is hen. Cock, hen. Peacock we have already written. Peacock, peahen. Peacock, peahen. Okay. So now let's move on to the next word. Ox. What is it? Ox. Cow. Ox it is cow. Yes. Ox it is cow. C-O-W. Cow.
C-O-W.
Yes. Lion. Come on, tell me. Lion. Lioness. Lion, it is lioness. Okay. Lioness.
Lioness is my completed.
Yes, lioness. Lion, lioness. Lion, lioness.
Gentleman, lady.
Yes, gentleman, lady. Yes, L-A-D-Y. Gentleman, lady. Yes, very good. So when we have learned it, we are finding it very easy to write it. Hero, come on, tell me hero. Very good. Heroine. Hero, heroine. H-E-R-O-I-N-E. Heroine. Hero, heroine. Hero, heroine. Grandfather. Grandfather. Yes, grandmother. G-R-A-N-D-M-O-T-H-E-R. Grandmother. Okay. Grandfather, grandmother.
I have completed.
Have all of you finished? Come on, see the board. See that you complete your work.
Ma'am.
It will be sent in the WhatsApp group too. But see that you write it. There are many absentees are here. So anyhow, we have to send the notes in the WhatsApp group. So we'll be sending it. But please see that you, those who have joined the session, see that you complete your work. Come on, write it. Okay, have all of you completed? Can I? Yes?
Yes, I have completed.
Okay, have all of you completed, my dear children? It's time for us to wind up. That's why I'm asking you. Come on, show me your work, those who have completed. Niveda has finished. Anna, yes, Niveda, Aldrin, Anthony, Shiva, Dhananjay, Adna, Arav, Sebastian. Sebastian, show me your book. Andrea, show me your book. Aaron, Badri, yes, Darshak, Basil, Sita. John, come on, show me your book. John. Sebastian, come on, show me your book. Sebastian. Where is your book, Sebastian? Ayan, yes, very good. Rahat, Rida, come on, show me your book, Rida. Sebastian, why is that you're not showing me your book? Haven't written? Yes, Anna, yes, Abel, Rasha, Bhuwana. Where is Rasha and Bhuwana? Your videos are not on. Andrea, everybody, I saw it. Okay, children, so it's time for us to wind up today's session. So it's time up, my dear children. So thank you all. Bye-bye, all of you. Bye. Okay, thank you. Happy weekend, children.